วยลูเซียเฮ้ยอันเนี้ยกาโอกาลาเฮียนกาโอยังเซตูมันมินดังเราแล้วนะ reply में क्या reply करूं भांजून Listen, I grow my hair because I'm a masculine guy. You see the fucking 90s, everybody has a long hair. Just listen to me, cause I am a man, a real gentleman. Cause I'm a real gentleman. Oh, Young Blood. I don't think I should think on it. Favorite The Beatles song? Jude. Lâu lại. HOM is done trong thở khẩu. RF, shout out to RF. Hey, Mood Station bassist. Nghe cantidor, que se pataldor. Milar ni te chuan du tu che le ho tu che an na kang ma se an huwa che le ilar ti aya ni zau than pari ka lo me tu tiang zong zong ka lo ngai to lo ke ni de tu chuai lampang pan to zo ka lo zep lo chuan hey jelle lo sang ate tai te an hun ania I chu van chuan le oh hey ke ni de chu tingin la po an nei vak to le nen oh by flashy by Tuni len cola eliam manaya que suy lung len helium pui vethate tor kapui an lena sova in la tilaya kavehi vashil ro arun klim che asin kain ring yan tiang che don ve mo ngai veng mo muliam nu lim lai ni parang at suai to nu tin layan ka veiring oh lung sim ten shil kanuam mange cut your hair please ai ka zua don some ka zua don imo enge ni sam malamat ya handa zur ta chu amoi lem chu ong lawa maro chu sam zua hi amen akati atuai na ka hre lo reng nya tunla ya khotsa khauten anon warve ani mai ta mai ro chu kan pi le pu te po khanin sam kha an zu ave thin ti kha lo sia ula a fresh lo kha chu da bal lo ani to ma bro chu mai zial zuna sa ni mo ka o hi tu ra tang ka ron ho tang khanin adik lei thei lowa amai ro chu siali tiang cho he ang ta chu kala sa thea amai ro chu hey distortion ko o hian om tel de to ni fry vocal si oma shoya ml pro enga tinge no pang ho hi kap bel meng che inu bula khatiang trong kam khai mang thin ti ka sil meng o lal shoya ml pro fuck you teronti inu ka lap tir sep meng je inu ka lap tir meng je no pang te khati khan u ten ti ngai lo shem tiếng anh ní ta cả cho nên tiếng sáng anh mấy lắm Fuhchiang lâu mồ ai bro lesson stream tuy nè suy lưng à đúng ngày mới ngồi anh nhắm mắt suy lưng à đúng ngày mới cha Fuhchiang lâu mồ ai bro lesson stream tuy nè suy lung à đúng nghe mới suy lung à đúng nghe mới suy lung à đúng nghe mới mà đùa mẹ bói là kan bói là cho lâu nãy lẽ mấy sạc po nuông nơi đàn sâu trên đàn in cô đồ êm về xin nắng Fuhchiang lâu mồ ai bro lesson stream tuy nè suy lung à đúng nghe mới suy lung à đúng nghe mới mà đó đình lâu in cả nuôi bal vậy lâu này tu shout out to Fuhchiang là Fuhchiang tè album release date tu nên cái complete chapter siya litu kasapay lang siali suy lung lên na nang mai em tin ring nun hi her trini mo Dualo di Zunamo Kawai tang mele Thay chẳng se Kayan kim hi Kalanang te Fabrics ng kalong gay Igay fe Shout out đến đủ vào trên hi một lần lệ tiếng hay non tị trên lên Shout out tỏ đoán lòng chịu तेरे बिन न जाने सुना सुना लगती जाने कितने रातें तेरे बिन गुजारे तेरे बिन न जाने दिल है ये बेचैनी रब ने क्यों मिटा दिया हमारी कहानी दिल की ये बातें मेरी सुन ले तू सोनिए तेरी आदा में मैनू मर जावा सोनिए सोनिए हाय Hindi văn thiam cái mà là nia hay hi ai cái Hindi lá gan sang ô anh có thể hiểu đấy không ai chả đó रंग अलग तो क्या खून तो एक सा नाम अलग पर दर्द तो एक सा है शीशे की दुनिया है टूट ना जाना ना 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 हाय खुशी खुशी अधूरी सी नींद भी पराई सी दिल पूछता है क्या सपने बोझ बन गए तो क्यों ना हम जिए डर तो हमको भी है okay ole pretty faceless kan sang is it the face that holds the values or is it height measurements as if the roses don't sting just 'cause it blooms oh I don't look rather charming in the morning but I would rather but I can barely reach the shelves nobody really talks about a lonely crow eyes do really deceive you it's like we were in a queue waiting to be picked by a beautiful few we're living in the shadows of the ones that are cute if face is what makes us I'd rather be faceless I'd rather be faceless It's funny how your personality is determined by your face come on it's a real joke how the people are woke but blind eyes do really deceive you it's like we're in a queue waiting to be picked by a beautiful few We're living in the shadows of the ones that are cute. If face is what makes us, I'd rather be faceless. I'd rather be faceless. My core kapoy mo. I don't know what he. Ole, sang thar kan tiang. Sunu velai William Turhi Ahar mange otani Zunzai sa inka auraye Lungdu in chenzong anae Nem tu ngain kauraye Santo kware mulauni No. Sing me nunyan Jut na rin ka na ilaw Bese na zinga Kaputo lave Nia kan king law ani Run ram yang mo kasing nun hi Clear ni ting mit titlay zolo Go sawa Tu sui lung ma dum zolo hi Lok le tuar na dang bilave Malay chang tu sing nun kaman Tamral may tur law ni Sing mi nun yan Lut na rin ka nailaw Bese na zing ma Kaputo lave Nia kan king law ani Oh nia kan king law ani Lagan sa tolo ang zona na zoro Zona ang changa Ito ang kanduto kang Ko chao to Baka seri juga sa to HOM Ubi zatihian Uare fakha Mila ubi akati Oleh Alo en tuna puna en may tayare fa chuanin I mase kan lo bia khang Itala arnge ngi nei kan nei lo hei kaming diktak chu ngai lo mi lo ko ve palang tak tagina kina arukin ga riang za kapa baural ta pualin la min pu asak thei angem ngen tileang Why you wear mask? Because I like it. Can you speak English? I don't understand. Your name is literally Sangi. Why don't you understand? Am I being judgmental here? Sorry about that. I didn't mean to be like that. HOM's events rukol BBC forever. Feli, hello. Lo titsinte. Feli, hello. At what age did you start learning guitar, and is it too late to learn? It at 15 or 16 years old. No, it's never too late to learn guitar. I started my journey of playing the guitar when I was 15 too. So coincidentally, maybe it is. Just know that it's never too late to learn guitar, all that. Any instrument, if you want to learn, just learn it. There's no reason to be afraid. If you feel like it, just go learn anything, any instrument you like. I learned bass at the age of 21. I still can't play everything, but that's just how it is. So do whatever you like and do what you must, as long as it brings joy. Tingay pretty faceless idea ang velo. Kasi biglaw, min ben sa kaniyang. Baka ikatitil kan distrokit at sangin tune kora ka insana chuwang chuan telveto law. Yung Bethlehem Bethlehem local ilaw zai khan mo karon kalve mo even zai thiam tak o kavan lom tak em kalom over ani min ignore siang val moy ignore love o kathin rim ve ringot don milara ka active ve na ber inya ka comments here ka cancel bang den mang don seman bang don seman bang den don seman le sorry lutuk imited duma me dark circle kan e ve le kasamhi aduma wang hianin tilang dum le zual thi any ikfai review ICFA is a bad it's a bad school if you're not a great student. If you're a good student, it's a good it's the best place to go. But if you're a bad student, ICFA isn't for you. Okay? Nobody will spoon feed you, and this comes from experience. So you know what? If you trust me, you trust me. Kan teacher tabo kanin kan faculty members te kanin dule hemi wang hianin lo chin urpon ni say I don't care, it's true. Vampire fans. I got a bit. Or is it just because you guys see it that way? Do you play any sports? I do fencing. The only sports that I can do is fencing. You see, I am actually quite skinny. Sorry. I'm quite skinny. I don't do anything that makes me bulky because my manager told me that rock stars should not be fat or bulky. So, subscribe, che. Hello, man. Sarmi follow back team. Follow yeah, kalau entina at memory taklo tu katia tuna hituanin yung ma hey follow atay rilo. Oh. fit check, fit check, fit check. Madam. Interest in older women, absolutely. I'm only interested in older women. To be honest, older women are interested in me. So I guess you could say that. Van Lijn my eyes. Kor hey, tu nak mana ke kor di artsop. Ani ga hak. Zon in ngoro kani tu enge kha GKP ania o kan zau to. Sa rockstar nila in me ngotang no pang hi ka boy pui ve thau an ngai sia no pang how in min lo du boxia yo fuck you they got the vak vak chuan a moi lawa ti deu tak me. How tall are you? I am freaking 5'8" and a half, about 174 174. Though okay, don't come at me and say, oh, I'm taller than you, bruv. I know I'm short, okay? Short kings here. See, speak, bro. I think you have a girlfriend. Who knows? Maybe I do. Maybe I don't. That's about a personal life that I can have, right? You only know if I have or if I haven't is I know you from real life. Like if I met you and if I like have conversations with you and if I'm ready to share about my details, if we're good close friends, maybe I'll let you know. But until then, I'm not going to talk about that. What's your opinion on the current political strategies in Mizoram, which is slowly turning into capitalist? My dude, every country that you know today in just a few years is going to turn into capitalistic style. Have you ever the you know, if you read Marxism, then you come to know that the ending of Marxism is basically what he said, like all living together in a communistic country. I mean, communistic, political system, which is only possible if everyone is a capitalist. Okay, so you know what? We have to be capitalistic because we got no money. I'm sorry, mate. Where did you get clothes? From the market. Mizo trong itiamem. Tiame. Lam koi ruang dai silo charlo. Ni rai tangai poka pupana beng hong singay ni don chute. Sarcastic. Trina mi ho hi. Abudel may kaloni ni Budel may kani. Have you communicate with your siblings well? Yes, I have. Both of my siblings are. I love them. They love me. Ikum za kahachak. Tanarem arem tuan. Mid-20s kani. Oh. Where are you now, Mizoram? Till in noi mid katil in noi mi noi lau. Nangaya suilung lena tuan. leng lo mai ro se sang thar po an sa to o question om to lo tro nge trong eng zat ngei thiam he zo ne ka dong zing khop me a ngin